How to fix the Epic Games Launcher Setup Wizard Ended Prematurely error. If you're seeing this error while installing Epic Games Launcher, it is usually caused by leftover Epic Games files on your computer. Here's how you can fix it. First, open the Windows search bar and type "this PC", then open it. Next, go to your local disk drive. You will need to check both the Program Files and Program Files.86 folders. Start by opening the Program Files folder. Click on any folder and press the E key on your keyboard to quickly find the Epic Games folder. If you find it, right-click the folder and select Delete. After that, go back and open the Program Files, the 86 folder. Again, look for an Epic Games folder. If it exists, right-click it and delete it as well. Once you have removed all Epic Games folders, restart your computer. After the restart, run the Epic Games Launcher installer again and follow the setup wizard. The installation should now complete successfully without the error. I hope this guide helped you. If it did, consider leaving a like and subscribing for more helpful tutorials.